Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can save Snapchat pictures to gallery. Let's get started. For that, open up your Snapchat application and then log in to your account. Once you have logged in, you go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji icon. Now tap on the settings like icon. Inside here, you have to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on memories. So, under Save Destination, by default, it is set to memories only. You need to go ahead and change it to memories and camera roll or camera roll only if you want everything saved directly to your phone's gallery. Tap onto it, then select memories and camera roll. And now, when you take a picture in Snapchat, just tap on the save icon at the bottom and the photo will go straight to your iPhone's or Android's photo gallery app. That's it. Quick and simple. Now you know how you can save your Snapchat pictures directly to your gallery instead of just the app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next